Hey guys, what's up? It's Sean, Autotopia LA. If you don't remember Deon, go back and look at the episode we did with him because we did your Fox body and then we shot Jay's 65 that we might have to reshoot that one because it sounds like you just did some serious motor upgrade.
Yeah, we done went from that 347 with the supercharger to a big small block.
Yeah, big small block.
A big
okay.
small motor, yeah.
I know you, dude. I know you build stuff that goes fast. You like to go run the 1/8 miles, quarter miles, right? That's your thing.
Yes, sir.
I'm guessing there's something going on under here because you didn't do the scoop to look pretty, right?
Well, I did it because I didn't have a choice. When I got it, it was crashed. So the hood kind of had like a mountain going down and had a big old hole in it. So I was calling around trying to get a hood and nobody had any hoods in stock. So I was like, dang. So they was like, oh, we have one, but it's a pin-on. I said, well, I really don't need a pin-on. I want a bolt-on hood. So they was like, oh, well, you're going to have to wait 6 to 12 weeks. I was like, well, send me the pin-on because I need it right now.
Yeah. What year Elco is it?
It's 1970.
Let's start there, dude. Let's pull pins and pull the hood, and I can already tell we don't have to worry about scratches.
Yeah. Don't do me like that.
Yeah, fit and finish beauty is not your thing. You're like, who gives a shit, dude? I want to go fast in a straight line. Shut up, leave me alone, right?
Well, look, you have to get it to go good first. Then you can paint it and make it look good.
Yeah, for sure.
This is a big block 498. It's 13-to-1 compression.
Oh, God.
It's a solid roller cam, ported the heads. They got the Dart Pro ones. Super Vector intake manifold and a custom 1250 Dominator from IRD. So I was shooting for between 8 and 850 on pump gas, because I know a couple of people that build big blocks, and they got real decent numbers with 10-to-1 compression with a smaller cam and a smaller carburetor. They was making like 760 on the engine dyno. So I was like, all right, I said, I'm gonna throw some more compression in it, and then I'm gonna throw a bigger cam, and I'm gonna do the heads. And I said, whatever happens, if I have to run like an additive or something to boost it, just to give it a little bit more.
Sure.
That's what I'll just do then. But it made like 830 on the engine dyno. But yeah, that carburetor, I just put that carburetor on yesterday. I haven't even driven it yet.
No kidding.
Nope.
So we're gonna be the test drive?
Yes, sir.
Oh, shit. At least I'm trusting the brakes, right? Your brakes work.
Yes, sir. They do. Hey, if they start feeling a little weird, we're gonna pull over and let them cool off.
You better believe we are. I learned that lesson once, and once was all I needed, man. I'm such an NA guy. Like, I don't mind the different forms of boost, even the sounds they make, and you know what I mean? Boost obviously is great, but there's just something about the response to an NA motor to me, you know?
And it never goes away. Like, it don't get heat soaked, it'll get hot. Sometimes it runs better the hotter it get, like, you know what I mean? So
yeah. What do you go to? Transmission, rear end, all that stuff?
I have an Edge Racing converter in there. It's a 5500 stall.
Whoa.
And then I have a Turbo 400 done up by Steve Sharp. The rear end is a GM 12 bolt with 373 gears and a full spool. And I have a anti-roll bar.
It looks like it's all stock frame, even stock control arms and stuff, right?
Mm-hmm. Only thing I did, it still has the 350 coil springs in the front, so they're really soft, they're loose. I have some 90-10, I think those are competition engineering shocks on the front. And I have 50-50s in the back. And then I think that's BMR drag racing springs in the back.
Okay.
That's pretty much it. I didn't know.
Yeah. But the chassis can handle that power? Like, you're not gonna get twist when you're nailing it? Really?
It's a full frame.
Is that original brakes on this?
Mm-hmm.
It is.
Original disc brake. It had power. I guess the guy I got it from said it was the original SS big block car, but I ain't never ran the numbers and all that because I didn't care, But yeah, it had power brakes. It's got all that, but I took all that stuff.
So you just went to a manual brake setup.
Mm-hmm.
And you're good. You've been driving it and it stops. I mean, other than obviously since you just did the carburetor, you haven't done it, but but you've been driving the car, right?
Yeah, I've been driving it. I got maybe about 500 miles on the motor.
Yeah.
I've been getting on it pretty good. Like I said, I like driving it.
Yeah.
It's got the torque is pretty much the same as the horsepower. So.
Lots of torque.
Yeah, I could barely touch the gas, and I look behind me. I'm like, where's all the traffic? Am I speeding? Like, what I'm saying?
It just hits. It comes on that hard. Original color? No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah. Wait, all you gotta do is look at it was like Ninja Turtle green.
Good shit.
Oh my God, so funny, dude.
I had to get the green off of here, man. Look, this green right here. Look at that.
That was the original color of this car?
Yeah.
nice. I'm glad you did this. It looks, I mean, that would be a lot to have to look at all the time.
Ooh, I'm telling you.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of green on cars unless it's I've seen great greens on cars and it's cool. Not gonna call that one a great green.
I couldn't, bro. I was driving it. They like, hey, leave it to patina look. I'm like, bruh, this car like it caught fire. I can't leave this like this. I can't leave this like this, man.
What do you got wheel tire size set up and stuff?
So those are RC components on the front. They 17 by 4.5s. The rear I have the, old school weld racings. They 15 by 10s. Obviously, I'm not gonna put them on until after I get it painted, But I have a set of black RC components, and I have the B-locks on the back and everything. They just straight.
Cool. What's the tire size on that? That looks pretty neaty.
That's a 295 65 15.
And I noticed you didn't have to change your inner tubs at all, huh?
These are like double frame rails, so before I even get to this tub, I still have like a frame rail on the inside to where I can trim out before I even touch this one. Just waiting on the body man to get back to me so he can do the body work on it.
Yeah. Is your plan to make it a clean, nice looking Elko? Yeah. Yeah.
This isn't obviously a $5 or $1 million car. This one I might have 15, maybe 20 in it total. You know what I'm saying? But I like driving. I don't have to worry about, oh man, look, you got a nick right here. Oh man, somebody open their door up and hit, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, didn't even thinking about it.
Yeah, man, especially not right now. Just don't steal it, you can beat it up.
Yeah, right. Dude, I know guys that have more in their wheels than you got in this car.
See what I'm saying?
Swear, I'm not even joking, man.
And I'm complaining about some $2,000-$3,000 rims. I'm like, oh man, they sit outside, cats be peeing on them and all that. Yeah, man, whatever.
So I'm guessing without even looking, this is all about business inside here, isn't it?
Strictly business.
Holy cow, you still got the bench in here, bro.
I wouldn't even put that floor shifter in there if the other guy
My favorite, you got lap belts. You gotta know I love those, bro. So you basically put a gauge, a steering wheel, and a shifter in here.
Yeah. That's all you need when you putting in business, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, and you got audio. You gave yourself some audio.
I have to. Especially if you're sitting in traffic, I need something.
I don't care about belts. I need some audio in here.
Oh man, hey look, don't air my dirty laundry out.
Come on, man. What is the shifter? Is that B&M?
Yeah, that's a B&M. No, that's a TCI, I'm sorry.
Got it, okay.
It's got a manual reverse valve body with a trans brake on it.
Yeah.
It's just
I take that back. I just noticed you changed the pedals too. Here I'm giving you grief, and you did go as far as the pedals. Come on, my man.
You know what I'm saying? My foot can't be slipping off while I'm jamming on
That's
the
right. You got it. That's right. I get it, dude. So I'm guessing now. Usually, I'm here when people pull up, so I'm able to hear it. So I'm looking forward to. We don't have to fire it right now. I'm guessing it doesn't show up quietly.
It does. It sounds like a stock 350, man.
No way. Okay, now we got to start it. I don't believe you. I do not believe. Is the hood gonna go toppling off of here?
It shouldn't. I mean, but it ain't got no paint on it, so we good.
Here, I'll hold it for you. I'll hold her hair.
I'll hold your hair.
Oh yeah. Yeah, just the stock 350.
Got a little baby kid.
Yeah. Yeah, sounds just like a stock 350. Here, let's do a comparison.
Uh-oh.
No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, it sounds nasty, man. Boy, it really snaps quickly. It just hits your RPMs, huh?
Yeah, that's that all motor.
Yeah. If I remember correctly, that's part of what you do, right? You build motors? Yeah.
I've only built 2 big block Chevys ever. And it was one for my brother, and we haven't even fired it yet, and I built this one. I'm used to building small block Fords, so I'm like, this dude's gonna run like a small block Ford. But it's 2 totally different worlds.
Really is, huh? It sounds great. Well, I'll tell you what, we'll do the camera, get them in there, we'll go drive. With lap belts and all, man.
I'll take care of you, okay?
All right. I ain't worried about it, dude. I know I've seen you running Irwindale, so if you can do that at full pop, I think we're gonna be okay on the city streets here.
Yeah, we'd be fine.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna go drive, you guys. So given that you just put the carb on and this is your first drive, everything's so far feeling all right to you?
Yeah, it's feeling fine. It's not. I don't have any flat spots, and I'm pretty sure the tune is pretty close. Cause like I said, I just put it up on the trailer. I got home from work, I threw it on the trailer, I switched the carburetor, and I went to sleep. I didn't even realize.
You said 373 gears out back, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And I got 3-inch exhaust on here too.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, through a little X pipe.
Well, you can sure tell the difference, even from the passenger seat with the old suspension. You know what I mean? You can feel there's more of a bounce to it. There's, like, it's just, I know part of it's the seat that I'm in as well. Do me a favor, explain to me, because, and all you guys that want to laugh at me, I'm always honest about how I'm not a mechanic, right? So all my knowledge is theoretical. The higher the number the stall is, the longer it takes for the shift to happen?
No, the higher the stall is, the higher you rev it before it actually locks and starts pulling.
Got it.
Yeah, so like right now, you see how it's just, it's just slipping the whole time. It's not actually locked.
So you got to get further up into the RPM before it starts locking.
Yeah.
So that high stall like that is for drag racing purposes since you're on it the whole time, right?
Mm-hmm. It'll rev up to here, 5,500, it'll rev up here, and it allows it to deliver all of the power and the torque at 5,500 RPM to help you launch a whole lot faster. In theory, it's kind of like a stick shift. You know, you can rev it and then just dump the clutch. That's pretty much what it does, except it's automatic.
I felt just that little hit, man, like, oh shit, this thing's got a lot of torque.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's got a little something back, you know what I'm saying?
Instant smiles, man.
Yes, sir. That wasn't
Boy, those
even,
pizza cutters don't want to turn in, do they?
got all that weight up there.
Yeah. I watch it. I remember when I'm driving these, I always start turning a little sooner and get out of the accelerator, man.
Yeah.
Just get out of it.
You be over there sliding.
Yeah, for sure. This is a fun machine, dude. I keep cracking a smile over here.
Yeah, this thing is fun, and and I'm barely like giving it like quarter throttle right now. I ain't even.
I can tell. Yeah. I gotta admit, car's loud,
but it's
not
that loud.
droney. It's not droney at all.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You're not getting that in the cockpit like driving you crazy sound.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. I think it's good.
It runs pretty good, huh?
It does. It does, man. It's not the most blistering fast thing I've felt, but I also know you're not going for 8th mile stuff right now. I know what you're up to, man. You're going, shit, I brought lap belts to Sean. I better not go too hard. That's smile machine stuff right there,
That's
you know?
exactly what it is. You feel it, it snatched the front end now when I turned the gear. You know, I can't get it to the floor right now, which is cool. You know?
I felt it slightly wiggling. You're spinning a little tire.
But you know, they're aired down to 16 pounds for hooking right now.
Really?
Yep. I run them that low all the time. Don't ask me why, I just leave them like that.
Do you really?
Yep.
So when you're gonna go for just a regular, I'm gonna go get a cup of coffee or whatever.
You never
You're at
know.
16 out back. No shit.
Cause I know I was messing with my brother and I'm out here spinning and he gone. I said, you know what? Even though we playing, I ain't playing no more. And I took it does run like the carburetor's a little too big on the top end.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might need to jet it down a little bit or whatever. But I mean, for the most part, it's pretty solid across the whole RPM band.
You got Bob Ross right here?
Yeah, he came with the truck.
No way.
Yeah, when I bought it.
You should have him paint it, bro. Damn.
Super fun to hang with Deon and shoot again. Haven't seen that guy in a while, man. He's, as you can see, he's a funny dude. And I love that his approach is, I'll make it look good later. Right now, I want to make it a fun driver and I want to make it go fast. And yeah, little tweaking to be done on it, as you heard him talking about on camera. But that's just a pure smile-making machine. And that's what I love about our world of American muscle, because it just makes me smile. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thanks for hanging and watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. All right, man, later.